She didn't speak. She attacked. With a smug smile and a crowd watching, the employee launched her drink straight onto the black woman standing before her, drenching her on purpose as phones swung up to capture the humiliation. The floor buzzed with whispers, laughter, and cruel commentary, all encouraged by the woman who believed she had absolute authority. But the target of her humiliation didn't flinch, didn't panic, didn't show a flicker of weakness. Her silence was colder than the juice dripping from her sleeve, because she wasn't documenting the attack for sympathy. She was documenting it for the moment the entire company would learn exactly who she was, and who her husband happened to be. Selena Grant stepped off the elevator onto the 42nd floor with the calm confidence of someone who had every right to be there. She carried her briefcase, checked the time, and headed toward the executive lounge without rushing, but she didn't make it 3 steps before a sharp voice cut through the hallway. "Well, well, look what wandered in." Paige Linton, a mid-level employee with a taste for power she didn't have, strutted toward her with an audience of co-workers already pulling out their phones. Selena paused, not out of fear, but because the energy on the floor shifted abruptly. Paige was performing, and everyone knew it. "You lost, sweetheart?" Paige sneered. "This floor isn't open to random visitors." Selena held up her access badge. "I'm here for an internal meeting." Paige laughed loudly, making sure everyone heard it. "Fake badges aren't new around here. Let's test yours." Without warning, she lifted her cup and flung the drink straight at Selena's chest. Liquid splashed across her blouse, dripped along her sleeves, and fell onto her briefcase. Gasps shot through the hallway. A few people stifled laughter. Phones rose higher. Selena did not react. She simply looked at the spreading stain with an expression so calm it made several onlookers uncomfortable. Paige smirked. "Next time, use the service elevator. It's for people at your level." Someone whispered, "Did she really just do that?" Another said, "This is going viral." Paige lifted her phone. "Everyone needs to see this," she declared, opening a live stream. Viewers pinged in instantly. "Caught a faker trying to sneak into the executive wing. Watch this." Her camera pointed at Selena like a weapon. Selena opened her briefcase, removed her phone, and pressed record. No yelling, no shaking hands. Just deliberate, precise documentation. "Oh, she's pretending to be important now," Paige laughed. "This is comedy." Employees drifted closer, some pretending to care, others hungry for drama. Talia from HR, Brent from finance, and Devin from marketing all hovered with phones raised, capturing every second. Selena's phone buzzed. She answered calmly, as if she were not covered in juice. "Yes, love. Minor delay," she said softly. "A situation at work I'm handling." She listened. "No, don't come up yet. Not until I tell you." Paige scoffed loud enough for her stream. "Oh, please. Pretending to call someone important? Lady, you should win an Oscar." The viewer count jumped. Comments flooded in. "She doesn't look scared, though. Why is she so calm? Paige is enjoying this too much. Something's off here." Security arrived. Evan Marsh, known for following orders without question. He placed his hand near his radio. "Ma'am, this floor is restricted. I need to verify your authorization." Selena handed him her executive-level badge, the kind rarely seen. Evan scanned it once, then again, confusion settling into his features. "It's valid," he murmured. Paige snapped, "Anyone can fake those." Selena tilted her head slightly. "Would you like to check the secondary credential?" She removed a sleek metal card embossed with a designation only top executives possessed. Evan froze. Paige's live stream captured it all. Comments shifted violently. "Oh no, she's legit?" "Paige is done." "Turn the camera around." Paige stepped back, clinging to her arrogance. "Security, escort her out. I don't care what card she waves around." Selena met Evan's eyes. "Are you detaining me based on her accusations?" or based on documented protocol? Evan swallowed, unsure. Ma'am, maybe we should wait. Selena checked her watch. 5 minutes, she muttered quietly. What happens in 5 minutes? Brent asked nervously. Before anyone could answer, the private elevator chimed. The doors opened. Adrian Grant, CEO of Orion Holdings, stepped out with 2 senior executives behind him. His presence shifted the entire floor from noisy chaos to dead silence. People stepped back instinctively. Paige blinked rapidly. Why is he here? Adrian's eyes locked onto Selena's stained blouse. The tension in his jaw pulsed visibly. He approached her slowly, gently brushing a drop of liquid from her sleeve. Selena, he said quietly, who did this to you? Paige stumbled backward. Sir, she was trespassing. I was protecting the company. Adrian didn't look at her. My wife does not trespass in her own building. The hallway erupted in whispers. His wife? She's married to the CEO? Oh, Paige is finished. Paige's live stream exploded with viewers commenting faster than she could read. Adrian faced the crowd, voice sharp as steel. Every camera in this building captured what happened. Every phone in this hallway is recording, and every person involved will answer for it. Paige shook. I didn't know. You didn't care, Adrian corrected. You humiliated a woman you didn't bother to understand. He signaled security. Escort Ms. Linton to HR for immediate termination. Paige's phone slipped from her hands as officers approached. Panic flooded her face, recorded from every angle. Adrian turned to the gathered employees. All of you who filmed instead of intervening will attend mandatory disciplinary hearings, and every witness will submit statements today. Silence fell like a hammer. He placed his arm around Selena. Come with me. We're addressing this at the board level. Selena gave one last, calm look at the frozen crowd. Next time, she said quietly, choose dignity over entertainment. As the elevator doors closed behind her and Adrian, the floor shook, not from footsteps, but from the collapse of every false confidence that had mocked her minutes earlier.